The storm that hit Capracotta, a town in the province of Isernia in the upper Molise region, continues. Snowdrifts in some places have reached depths of more than 1.5 meters, and temperatures are extremely cold, well above freezing. The town experienced a similar situation on March 5, 2015, when in about 24 hours the blanket of white reached a height of 256 centimeters, breaking the world record held by Silver Lake in Colorado. Storm Erminio, currently battering southern and central Italy, is being felt most severely in Abruzzo, where the Civil Protection Department has issued a red weather warning, causing school closures in many towns and causing accidents due to snow and strong winds. This is the latest polar vortex to hit Italy in recent weeks. Videos released in the past few hours, filmed both in Rivesandoli in the province of L'Aquila and in other villages in Abruzzo, show stunning scenes with streets and trees completely whitened by the heavy snowfall in recent hours. However, the severe weather has caused and will continue to cause significant disruption. The weather could worsen significantly in the coming hours. Up to 1 meter of snow is expected, along with a drastic drop in temperatures. Improvement is not expected until Friday. The president of the region, Marco Marsilio, also emphasized the impending state of emergency. The most difficult moments are still ahead, he acknowledged. He then urged residents to exercise utmost caution and responsibility. Let's limit travel to the absolutely necessary. To date, the fire department has responded to more than 200 calls related to fallen trees and overflowing rivers in Abruzzo and Molise. In Abruzzo, 130 rescue operations have been carried out due to damage caused by strong winds, rain, and snow. In San Salvo Marina, on the coast of the province of Chieti, heavy flooding has occurred due to the heavy rainfall. There are concerns about hydrogeological risks here. A red alert has also been issued in Molise, snow as high as a car. A red alert has also been issued in Molise. 70 interventions have been completed in the region, mainly concentrated in the Termoli area in the province of Campobasso. In Capracotta, in the province of Isernia, snow covered cars causing disruption. Three other roads providing access to Capracotta remain open and passable, meaning that despite the state of emergency, the town is not isolated. The snow management plans of the municipal and provincial governments have been implemented, and the arrival of ANAS snow removal machines is now awaited. The situation is currently under control, assured the mayor, but I urge all residents to cooperate. In particular, leave the house only if absolutely necessary and under no circumstances walk. The continued snowfall is a blessing for the mayor. Don't forget, he concluded, that it benefits the environment and replenishes water supplies. Bad weather in Molise. Snowstorm in Capracotta with 1.5 meters of snow. The situation is critical due to the bad weather in Molise. Rain has been falling non-stop for at least 36 hours in most areas, while heavy snowfall has occurred in the mountains. Schools were closed in about 30 municipalities this morning. Firefighters have been deployed extensively. Several roads are closed to traffic. The situation is different in Alto Molise, where a storm is raging in Capracotta, dumping at least 1 meter of snow. A snow warning remains in effect for the next 2 days. The storm currently hitting Capracotta, in the province of Isernia, which was hit by a powerful storm yesterday, continues to rage. Snowdrifts have reached a height of more than 1.5 meters in some places, and temperatures are well above freezing. The area previously experienced a similar situation on March 5, 2015, when in about 24 hours the snow cover reached 256 centimeters, surpassing the world record set by Silver Lake, Colorado. NPK, image by Capracotta.